Oh my God, how to land a dream job in Web3 sales. One by one, we're gonna go through four main things. Four that will allow you to get it. So the most important thing that you can be really thinking about is that you it's not happening to you. Like it will not happen to you. Maybe if you're super lucky, like in 0.0001%, you will happen to be in a position where the dream job falls on you from the sky. Maybe because I don't know, you just have a good karma. In most of the cases, in order to get a dream job, you need to get it. And this is the most important transformation that will help you to get the dream job. It will not You're not waiting for it to happen to you. You are going and proactively doing something in order for it to inevitably happen to you. Understand? You need to always know what you think is too much. Like you need to do the thing, you need to show initiative, you need to do so many things that the company, that the manager, he knows that this guy wants this job so hard. Like this will probably not gonna help you with, like, technically, if you think about it, you can tell me, Nikolai, but if they know that you want this job so hard and blah 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 blah, like then they will just give you bad terms in negotiating. Well, technically yes, but if they know that you're the guy that really wants the job and will perform and is willing to do so much things in the interviewing process to be really considered as a great candidate, then you also have a leverage to negotiate. So yeah, I don't think it's a bad thing if you show too much initiative by sending different videos, congratulations to managers, to people, talking with the salespeople how they are selling. Like there is so much things that you can find online, like how to do like courses, how to get the best sales job, watching this video. Like there's so many things that you can be doing. Um, like the normal interviewing process is the candidate shows up on an interview, they ask some questions, blah blah blah. Okay, we will let you know. Goodbye. If you only do that, goodbye. It's not interesting. It's you have no control over what's happening in the sales process. And the only way how you can get control over what's happening in the hiring manager head is being on top of their mind all the time, showing them why you're the best person to get the position, why you're but like, and this involves a lot of touch points, with this hiring manager, with the CEO, with the people in the company, with basically they need to see you as the person that they already work with. And if you can deliver that, that's the problem. Getting an interview, it's a sales process. Whole interviewing process is you basically selling yourself. So the way that you sell yourself, and if you're applying for a selling position, you are automatically judged for your selling skills. Very simple. Like if you can't sell yourself, no one will trust you to sell their product. I mean, of course there's gonna be great people, but you're gonna get some opportunities and positions. But we're talking about the dream job, and the dream job is the thing that you really want. So you need to show that you really want it, and you can do it if you don't know how to sell. And if you don't know how to sell, you shouldn't be getting that position. Very simple. And the fourth one and last thing is, when you are asked questions in the interview, don't just go and answer them like a best pupil in the world. You just raise your hand and like, oh sir, can I please answer? And like somebody asks you a question, then you talk about 10 minutes. Well, this is bad. This is a bad sign. This means that you don't know how to sell, because a good salesperson, when they're getting a question, they can ask a Socratic question instead. So you can ask a clarification question to the person, to the question that you've been asked. Like this helps you to be in the control, because the best salesperson is in the control of the sales process, is in the control of the buyer. So if you go on the call with your interviewer and they ask you a question, and then you start answering that question and you lose control, and you lose control for a long amount of time in the call, well, you will probably lose this control with the buyers as well. Again, if you are applying for a sales position, your interview process is the same as you selling the product. So it's very easy to find the good sales guy and find the bad sales guy, because the good sales guy, you can see him from the mile away. They're going to be doing things way differently than majority of people. If you want to get better in it, join Web3 Sales Gym. We are talking about this almost all the time, like every month or every 2 months, I post a video about how to get a good job, CV, candidates. There's a lot of experience, a lot of information on the channel. So look out the past videos, check out the Web3 Sales Gym YouTube channel, check out the Web3 Sales Gym Telegram community where there's a lot of people like you that you can connect with, make friendships, ask them about advices. And the last thing, there is my contact in below in description. So check it out. If you want, you can message me and we can talk about something. That's most of it from me today. If you like this video, like, subscribe if you're the first time on this video. If you're not the first time, please share it with your friends. Please share it with someone who you know is looking for the Web3 sales job and help them get better in it. Do a good thing, improve your karma. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye bye.